Good morning, traders. This is Raksha from Absolute Analytics. Still recovering from a bad throat here. So we're right now. You're watching gold, XAUUSD. It's a 4-hour time frame. I'll be covering it very quickly, and it'll be very clear what will it be the bias of gold in this week, at least in at least the coming week here. So we can see a clear divergence, a bullish divergence in 4-hour time frame for gold. But there is a major resistance which has to be breached for the price to go to the higher highs of at least like 4,100 and 4,163. One more I would like to add here, 4,200. So these levels for the higher side, it has to breach this trend line here, and also a cluster of a range of support and resistance pivots here, and that converges at the higher level of 4043 here. So anything above this is good to go, but then again about above 4043 there are two major lines, that is 4057 and 4080. A little bit of hurdle might be possible at least at 4057, but 4080 is another one major level which I would like to mark here, because this price once is breached, it will the prices will be in a complete bullish territory here. Now, talking about if the rejection is there and the price breaks this low of 3,965, then we'll be seeing the prices again back to 3,940, and the low of 3,890 here. So these are the clear targets and the clear approach of gold. Nothing fancy about it right now because the structure is so confusing because of all this escalation. So it's a clear either buy on the dip or on a breakout. A proper rule based entry on gold is advised, and it is very important to manage the risk. So I will be buying as there is a divergence here. So I will be buying on the breakout here. But then again, that's a $40 run for the resistance itself. So intraday purpose, if the price breaks above 4018 or it goes down and tests the low of 4000 again, this zone here, this zone here, then I'll be going for a buy for 4020, and then I'll be adding up more above 4020 for the resistance level here. But that is purely that purely will be a very 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 risky setup, because it is you can see the wicks, you can see the length of the candles, it's all chaos here right now which is going on. So it's better to go for a proper directional swing trade rather than the intraday scalps and all. But if intraday scalps are there, then we have to be very precise about the levels of support. So the level of support here is 3998 to 4000. It can go for and give a wick almost at 3992, just like the prices here. You can see all the orders been taken here and then prices pushed upward. So this might happen again if the prices are going back on this 4000 zone. There will be volatility. So 2 3 candle confirmation for the support is suggested, and once it goes up and breaks the 4043, you know what levels I've already told you earlier. So it's a very clear direction of either side where the prices is supposed or projected to be near the breakout of either resistance here or the support here. So this is all about gold. I'll be coming up with more charts later. I'll take a break of like for 2 3 days mostly. I need that now. So but still I'll be active on the channel and I'll keep updating you there. And have a very good day. Have a very great weekday, and very profitable weekday.